Hello everybody. Hey, here's the latest in what I'm calling my complementary series. Orange and blue this time. In fact, the orange, this colour, this glass colour, is called pimento, so it's sort of reddy orange, really rich orangey red. I love it. And the blue that I've used for the coral is actually called steel blue. And if I reduce it in the firing process, then it goes a steel colour. Anyone who's used to the raku firing in ceramics will know what I'm talking about. There's two, there's a jade steel and there's a steel blue, and I love them both. And then I've made some tiny little marini just to go on the end of the coral there. In choosing the background colour, I've gone very close tonally to the coral, which I think was a bit brave, but what I was trying to do is create a real sense of mystery and being under the water with these fish really standing out. I know there's only 3 of them, but that's part of the minimalism of this piece. Okay, so the verse hopefully will illustrate what I'm trying to achieve here, and it's called Pimento Fish. Here's a scene from deep under the sea, a place that's alien to you and me, but I thought that it would make a nice memento from when the water was clear and the fish were pimento.